Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure both devices meet requirements, compatible OS and the same Apple ID. Once done, enable two-factor authentication to secure syncing and add a trusted number. Next, open Settings and tap your Apple ID to access iCloud options. You choose which apps to include: Photos, Contacts, iCloud Drive, and flip their toggles on. This first pass establishes the connection and permissions so that data can flow safely between devices without unexpected deletions or duplicates. You now focus on the actual sync. Check your iCloud storage quota and upgrade if you expect large transfers. Then, on each device, go through app-level iCloud toggles and enable the services you want synced. When iOS asks whether to keep or merge local data, choose Merge to combine contacts, calendars, and notes across devices. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi and connected to power. This reduces interruptions and prevents partial uploads. Once initiated, monitor progress in Settings to confirm. You finish by verifying that data appears on both devices. Open a photo, a contact, and a note to confirm replication. If you notice duplicates or missing items, go to iCloud. To inspect versions and recover deleted files from the recently deleted folder. Make sure Find My is active if you care about device tracking. If syncing stalls, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, restart each device, and reset network settings as a last step. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account-specific help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.